Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. It is Friday. We made it, guys. Well, the market's doing some crazy stuff. I want to go over Ethereum here. Something I'll show you guys in today's video. A lot of people are looking like they're giving up on Bitcoin at the moment and putting their money into Ethereum. I'll give you guys some proof of that in this video. Currently, guys, going into this weekend, we are sitting at 91 for 91 wins on this channel. We've never lost a crypto trade. So if you guys want to trade with us, in the second half of this video, I'll show you guys exactly how to get into all of our entries as well as into the Telegram channel here where I'm calling exits for everybody. And it's just been an incredible year, and hopefully we'll finish strong here. Trying to get to 95, maybe 100 for 100 wins before the end of the year. So let's dive in here, and then I'll show you guys how to get there in the second half of the video. All right, guys, let's just get into Ethereum, what I'm looking at. I'm going to start here with these few indicators, and then we're going to get into the dominance chart because I want to compare it to Bitcoin. A lot of rumors out there saying that Ethereum could flip Bitcoin. Well, there's actually some signs of it right now that are pretty surprising. And let me just start with this. I know a lot of people, and even myself, have been covering this possible black swan event that's going to happen. Possibly. I want to make that clear. Possibly. All right? And so I've been teaching you guys about cash allocation and all of that. There's not a guarantee that it's actually going to happen. There could actually be a bull run before the end of the year, and I want to just prepare us for both, okay? So I'm not saying that it's going to happen. I'm going to prepare us for both so we have money in the market and we also have money in cash in buy limits so we can prepare for a drop if it happens. Okay, watch this, guys. Moving down to the bottom right section here with the well money flow, moving down lower, this is what I was looking at yesterday, specifically the trend exhaustion, and I was like, you know what? We're probably going to bounce back up here. I really hope we do, because even looking at Bitcoin, I came up with a video for you guys. I'm like, if we break below $47,000, this is not good news. But yet again, the indicators called this correctly, right? We pushed down to the bottom red section of the trend exhaustion. We stopped, literally, the Bitcoin global market stopped going down and it started to move back up. So these are the two most accurate indicators you guys will ever use for trading. It is the trend exhaustion, price per swell money flow. Get them in the description, okay? Here's what I'm also watching for. Over this weekend, if we see any type of a pump up here and we get anywhere close to the top up here, we start seeing the well money flow get to the top section as well as we see the trend exhaustion get up here, I am looking for some pretty nice moves back down. With that said, I want you guys to watch this closely because we're very close to being in the profit on this long trade for Ethereum. I'm in here with you guys. So if we get up here close to this structure high, and that is correlated to a push of the trend exhaustion in the top red section, what we see when we get up here is we are seeing very nice drops back down in the market. This is where you want to be looking to take some profit before it starts moving back down. This is how we were actually able to call the drop over here on this channel for this move coming out here. We clearly saw this with the trend exhaustion being high. I didn't expect to see this far of a crash down. I'll be completely just honest and admit that to you guys. I don't think a lot of people did, but what we were able to do is prepare ourselves and get our majority of our money into cash. I was actually sitting over 50% in cash when this was over here, ejecting more money for the dip. You guys saw all that on the previous videos. So what I'm trying to show you guys is when this pushes up to the top section here, these indicators are calling these market drops. Like, we have billions of dollars. The world is trading these cryptocurrencies, and we're able on this channel to be able to call drops in here. That's why we're growing so fast. These are the two best indicators you will ever use. I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers 2 years ago. I've even had the founders of TradingView.com, like TradingView.com, reach out to me to try to purchase them. Guys, these are very, 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 very good, okay? This is showing us that we're due for a move back up. We're already in that pump, so we're going to watch that. Let me show you guys something very interesting right now based off the dominance, and then I'm going to go over the metrics for Ethereum today, and then we'll go over the actual buy limits and such like that of where you can access those. Watch this. If you guys go like this, you want to go up here, and I just did it on the chart, and I have it up here, but let me show you this again if you didn't catch that. Click the plus sign, and then click ETH.D. and then click this right here. It's going to show up the orange line. I take the orange line like this, and I'm going to pull it all the way down to the bottom where the date frame is, and then I'm going to click up one, and then I'm going to click up one. Great. Okay. Dominance. What is the Ethereum dominance? It is showing relativity of market cap. So you take all the market cap in an entire crypto. Is the market cap for Ethereum, is it going up or is it going down? When the market cap goes up, to me, the way I analyze this is that money is flowing into this cryptocurrency, okay? If it's an assessment of what kind of, percentage each type of coin is taking up amongst the whole market cap, if this is going up, that means money's flowing in, okay? Ethereum has obviously been moving down here, as most cryptocurrencies are. But what has been happening here is really interesting. We're actually seeing the dominance increase over here as Ethereum is kind of going down. I know it's been going back and forth, but we've been in this downtrend. Obviously, we've been moving down here. Now watch this. If I take this exact same chart right here and I pull up Bitcoin, so visually hold this. Let's pull up Bitcoin. Now we have to come back down here and actually change this. So we're going to click this. We're going to go BTC.D. We're going to click it right here. Look at what's happening with Bitcoin. Dominance is actually flowing out of the market for Bitcoin. This is clearly a downtrend, while Ethereum is clearly in an uptrend. So this is partly why I like to have, especially right now, have more money in Ethereum than Bitcoin. Now, I don't trade Bitcoin at all. I think I can make far more money in the altcoins. If EOS just pumped 24% the other day, like 24%, while Bitcoin went down. So being diversified is very smart. But I want to show this to you guys. There's something happening behind the scenes where Ethereum is acquiring a lot more cash, and people are just purchasing a whole lot more of it because clearly the dominance chart here is showing an increase, while Bitcoin is actually showing a decrease. Very, very interesting for those of you guys who are Ethereum holders. This could be very bullish for you guys. All right, let's go over the metrics here, and then I'll show you guys how to get into our trades so you can take all of them with us, and so you can make profits with us. We've literally never lost a trade over here, okay? Emotional index. We're sitting in the anxious section. This is as of yesterday. Remember, these are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in an hour and 20 minutes. So we've been in this consolidation phase right here, and we're just dipping down to the anxious phase because look at this. Yes, we're in this kind of like a zone here, but we started dipping down yesterday into the bottom, and people are like, oh, are we going to crash below? Where are we going to go back up? We better bounce. Like literally yesterday on the Bitcoin update I gave you guys in the video, I'm like, I really hope we bounce from here because this could be like a fast crash back down, and it's okay if it goes down. We've got a bunch of cash in the exchange. Currently, we're sitting at let me refresh this real quick. I think we're sitting close to about 40%, maybe like 41, something like that. Let me get this pull up here for you guys. I'm sitting heavy in cash right now because I want to basically just be prepared for a drop. Yeah, 39.53%. So sitting heavily in cash right now just in case we keep dropping. Let's keep going over here. Looking down here at long versus short trades, this hasn't moved too much. It's just really interesting. I've never seen Ethereum hold out short trades like this and hold out long trades. It's either short trades are increasing or long trades are staying the same, and one of the others moving. Very, very interesting. This tells me that people are holding their positions because they don't know what's going to happen. Well, look at the price action here. It's just going back and forth right here. So when this happens, it tells me there's indecision in the market. And really, guys, fast moves can happen out of these areas because a lot of people are like, are we going up? Are we going down? So they've got their bets hedged. We've got short traders in here thinking, nope, we're going to go down. The black swan event's going to happen. They've got stop losses up here. We've got people in long trades who've got stop losses down here. If this breaks above the high here of about $4,500, or if it breaks below about $3,900, that's where I think we're going to start seeing either a crash or a nice pump back up because stop losses are going to be hit for both parties that are trading this coin, okay? Let's keep moving down here. Long versus short trade risk, still sitting in the neutral section, basically saying, should we be really excited about taking short trades? No, the metric bar isn't even up there. When it was up here, that's when we were at the top, and then we ended up crashing. Should we be really, really excited for good long trades? No, we're kind of in the middle. Well, when we are, that's when the market's actually going up. So the long versus short trade risk, this shows where your favor lies. If I had to argue a point here, I would say there's more favor on a long trade than there is short trade based off this metric. And when it was pushed up here closer to short, we did move down. We did move down here. When it was closer to long, we did actually end up moving up. Very powerful metrics for you guys to watch, okay? Moving down here. Well and institutional smart money metric. This is very interesting. I haven't actually seen this happen too many times where you actually see a market move down and then shorts actually decrease. Very interesting. It is not very common that this actually happens. So this as well showing me indecision. I understand that when we dropped in the market here, we saw the acquisition of long trades and the market pumped back up here. But as we're going back down here, short trades increasing is interesting because we could actually see this drop even further. So make sure you guys are watching this today and over the weekend, because if we start moving down here, I think what they're going to do, I don't know what they're going to do, but we need to watch this, is if the price action goes down, my thought would be that we're going to start seeing them, Wells Institutions, smart money acquire long trades to actually buy the dip. So make sure we're watching that because I'm watching all this over the weekend, guys. It's going to be a very interesting weekend. Are we going to pump or are we actually going to start crashing down again? Because do you guys remember last Friday? Literally I was up watching Shark Tank and I'm like, oh my gosh, they're making good deals. I got a good deal. I better put money in and buy some of this. And it was crazy to watch. All right, guys, in this consolidation phase right here, we're looking at a couple areas. The break of resistance, I told you this to you guys, is $4,800. So $4,800 on here is up here. This is the greatest structure of resistance on the chart. I would love to see a pump up here before the end of the year. If that happens, basically every single one of our trades is going to be in some massive, massive profit. If this goes up to 4,800, EOS is going to be ridiculous. We'll probably do like another 30% profit on that coin. Definitely get into that coin. I really like it. Just letting you guys know. I know there's news coming out with a bunch of different things. Here's the thing, guys. I am still bullish on EOS, okay? I am still bullish on the bullish exchange as well. Just putting that out there. All right, let's keep going here. I want to get you guys into these trades. As far as a breakdown, the greatest structure low here is $4,030. It's very clear that you guys can see this on your charts. $4,030. Let's take a look at this. It's right over here at this level. So if we can come back down to this level here, which is really close to where we bounced off of this level right here, we could see another bounce back up. So this 4,000 level, guys, is like protecting us from going down. Please watch $4,000. If we break below 4,000, this is an official high, low, lower high, and a lower low formation. So it's going to officially give us a downtrend. Once that breaks, we need to be saved by this ascending support line, which is right around $3,900, which has been respected very greatly on the charts here. So we have a few areas which are nice that are going to protect us if we start moving back down, and we have our buy limit set up. At the moment, we are looking bullish because the trend exhaustion is low and well money flow is low. This basically tells me when this green line is low, whales are looking to put money back in, and they're starting looking to purchase the price again at a lower price because the demand is so high. They're looking to purchase to drive the price up. Happens literally like every single time we get down here to the lower sections. They're like, okay, let's stop selling. Let's start buying. It is so ridiculously accurate if you guys just watch these two indicators. Okay, coming down here, dollar cost average entries. If you guys got like $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 in the market each time, great. You guys can do that. Hold it for 5 to 10 years. Exit points in the market here, perfectly calling this point up here, perfectly calling this point here. Really, really good calls here lately on this, giving us just a heads up. That was right here. That was also right here that I'm showing you guys, saying, hey, you know what? We're due for a drop back down. That's why you guys want to watch these metrics. Literally, with your membership, these update every single day. So let's go over this right now, and I'm going to get you guys into these next trades and show you how to access these entries. I'm already in this trade. I have better buy limits for you guys to get into the next trade because you obviously don't want to enter it up here because you'd be in the negative right now. So at the moment, this trade is down 2.96%. Not a problem at all. Not worried whatsoever. We have a ridiculous amount of money in here saving us if we drop. Here's how you guys do this. The membership is only $49 a month. I'm going to try to keep it as low as possible for as long as I can at $49 a month. But as I mentioned in previous videos, guys, we're hiring on more employees because we're growing, and I'm going to be looking to up the price of this so you guys know. And like I've said, before January, February, March, April, before April 1st, okay? That's been the going sentiment over here at the business. We're trying to figure this out. I want to keep it low for this reason. I know a lot of you guys only have like $1,000. You guys are like me, like 10 years ago. I got into crypto and I'm like, I want to get in, but I don't have a lot of money. And I couldn't stand paying a membership fee that was like, you know, $200, $300, $400 for signals. And I'm like, I'm not even making my money back on my membership with the signals I'm getting from this guy. And so what I did is I'm keeping it super low because like literally we have ridiculous testimonials in here of people doing $20,000, $7,000. So crazy that people are able to come over here. And I think the reason why people like this so much is that it is cheaper. So I'm going to try to keep it as low as possible. But guys, know this. When I up this, I will grandfather everybody in at $49 so you don't have to pay the higher fee. Okay, let's just jump right in this. I want to get you guys into all this. Metrics are going to be what you guys get access to, but it's the live trades you really want to be focusing on. Let's dive in. All 91 of our trades have all been taking. Every single one of these entries. You guys see all of the buy entries here, the dates on everything kept transparent in the Telegram channel. All of these have been taken from this one single page. It is on here at tradeconfident.io under the live page section. We're talking about Ethereum right now, and I'm going to go over Bitcoin to show you guys this because I want to keep it for our paid subscribers here. Here's what you guys are going to do. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these metrics are going to update. If the lines don't update, it's just because I love the entry that we're at, okay? This was very close yesterday. We saw this move down. If you guys got in, that's totally fine. I've moved this buy limit down, or actually, I'm sorry. I believe this buy limit is where it's at today because we started moving back up, so you're very close to this entry. Here's what you guys are going to do for all of our coins so you guys can join us on these trades. Let's say you want to use $1,000 that you want to allocate to this trade. You guys pick the amount. It does not matter, okay? You're going to split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. So 1,000 divided by 4 is 25%. That's 250. 250 is going to go with this buy limit, 250 here, 250 here, and 250 there, okay? That's where you guys place your buy limits. Once your first buy limit is hit, do not move any of the other buy limits. Keep them where they're at, okay? What you're going to do after your first buy limit is hit is you're just going to simply set a sell limit in your exchange for 100% at the green line. Right now, it's at 64,900. Set this up. Even if the sell limit moves for future trades, do not move the sell limits or buy limits. Keep everything where they're at. This is a perfect trade setup right here and perfectly balanced with risk management. That's why I tell you guys don't move any of your sell limits or any of the buy limits at all. This is going to update for new people who come to the channel every day because it's going to show you the next best trade setup, but don't change it. Okay, once you guys have your buy limit set up, you want to join me in the Telegram channel. This is where I'm calling exits with the indicators. You guys must sign up on Telegram on your phone or your computer first, then click this link, and it will actually give you guys a hot link over into Telegram where you guys can access all of this. And I'm giving you guys market insights, what I did yesterday, telling you guys about cash management and teaching you guys how to actually manage cash correctly if we see a drop here. So you guys want to get over here in the Telegram channel. This is where I'm calling exits with the indicators. It is very, very powerful. We literally did just take a 26.74% profit on Matic literally in the last 2 days, okay? You guys, the indicators, let's talk about this real quick. The indicators right now that you guys need to predict the pumps like I showed you in this video are the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion. The trend dashboard I use to spy on retail traders, and I've done this like on almost all the videos. I've shown this to you guys. You guys need at minimum the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow. I'm going to be upping the prices of these in the months to come. Like literally starting January, I'm going to be looking to up the price of this again. You guys should just get the bundle pack. This is going to be the best deal you guys can get. It is 81% off all of our indicators. If you get them individually, use coupon code SAVEMONEY, and you're going to do great. You'll save between 58 to 60%. You're going to get another 21% off to use all of our indicators. Obviously, if you guys want more, I'm just going to give you a ridiculous deal. These are the three that you guys need to copy my charts and copy all the exits that I'm showing over here when I do analysis. I am not taking these three indicators off of my charts because they work so well. So today, going into the weekend, take today to set up your indicators and get them on the chart so you can follow me. Then come over here and get into the membership and set up your buy limits for the trades that you guys want to take, and then get into the Telegram channel. That's all you guys need to do. Literally, sign up for the membership before that goes up in price. Come over here and set up buy limits. Get into the Telegram channel and set up the indicators. You guys will be able to copy my charts here. Literally, like here you guys go. I'm using Ethereum on Coinbase. You guys see the other videos I do, but literally set your indicators up. Follow me on YouTube here. I will cover this on Monday because we take the weekends off, but watch what happens here. Now that we're starting to move back down here, could this have actually been maybe a little bit of a bull trap to the upside and now we're going to crash down? Let's watch this, guys. It's very entertaining, but let's see what we're going to do here because this is actually starting to move back down pretty quick here. This is kind of insane. Kind of a little bit of a mini flash crash we're having. Let's watch this. We are still at the bottom here. If this starts moving up here, if the trend exhaustion starts moving up and the well money flow starts moving up and this actually starts moving back down, this is divergence, and I would be looking for a bear trap and then a move back up here, okay? Watch that. If this ever starts moving up as well as the well money flow starts moving up together and price moves down, this is due for a jump, not a continuational move down. Okay, I've shown this to you guys so many times. If you look at on the chart here where you see a low and another low, this is going to trap a bunch of bears to the downside, and you look straight down and we see a low and a higher low for well money flow, and also the trend exhaustion is moving up, guys. This is where we start seeing big moves back up. So don't get caught on the wrong side. Literally, watch the markets with these indicators. They're predicting these jumps. A bear trap to the downside showing that money's moving down based off price action, but the flow of money in green as well as the trend exhaustion is moving up. This is where we see nice jumps back up in the market, and that could put us back up into the profit. So don't get faked out here. Watch these indicators to see what's going to happen here today. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing Friday. Get the indicators before they go up in price as well as the membership, and I'll keep you guys coming out with videos today, and I'll do a Bitcoin video later today to kind of give you guys a roundup for this weekend. But everything you guys need is in the description. I'll see you guys later. God bless you so much, and let's make some more profits together, and let's see if we can go 100 for 100 winning trades before the end of the month is over. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.